Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing both the phone and development machine. Enable developer options, then toggle USB debugging so Android Studio can communicate. This grants a DB access. Install Android Studio plus SDK platform tools and the correct OEM USB driver for your device so drivers don't block detection. Once done, connect the device with a good data cable, choose File Transfer, MTP mode on the phone, and watch for the Allow USB debugging prompt. Accept to authorize your computer. Now configure Android Studio to deploy to your phone. Open Run Configurations and select the app module and appropriate build variant because mismatched variants can fail installs. Check the device list in the Run dialog. If no device appears, run a DB devices in terminal to confirm detection and restart a DB with a DB kill server, a DB start server to refresh connections. Once the phone is listed, pick it as the target and press Run. Gradle will build and install the APK directly to the device. Finish by confirming the app runs and inspecting Logcat for errors. This helps you catch missing permissions or runtime crashes. If a DB reports unauthorized, revoke USB debugging authorizations on the phone and reconnect to prompt a fresh trust dialog. If the device still won't show, switch cables or USB ports and install or update OEM drivers. As an alternative, enable wireless ADB developer options and connect over Wi-Fi to bypass flaky USB connections while you continue testing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.